What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Valentine's look that I wanted to do with the Melt Cosmetics Millennial Pinx palette that just came out. This is what it looks like. I already showed you in the video, or I do show you. But yeah, it's just lots of cutesy pinks and then a little silver and two different grays. I don't know if that's supposed to be a gray or black, but they look really similar. This is the look I did. I'm going to do a voiceover. It's a simple look, so I feel like voiceovers are fairly easy when I do something like that. But yeah, here's the video. Okay, this is my third time filming this. So first, I took Modern Love. I took a flat shader brush. I packed that on my lid to the crease. I dipped back in the pan like quite a few times because I was really trying to make this opaque. It looks much darker in the pan than it did on my eyelid, so I was trying to pack it on there. And then I took Flamingo Dream, that's an adorable name, and sorry, I know I'm out of frame here, I noticed in a second. I took that in the crease just to kind of blow it out even more. Where do I know? Oh, there we go. There, I noticed. I took that to blow out the edges. But like I said, see, it just looks like I have the same color. And this is a different brush, so I don't know. And then I took Pink Leather to kind of blow that out on my bottom lash line. As I was saying though, like it looks kind of like I just have one color on my lid, right? So I don't know why they look so different in the pan, but so like the same on my eyes. Yes, this is just Pink Leather on my lower lash line, blowing it out, and then just putting that, you know, just blending it out even more with the Pink Leather. I was just trying to, sorry I keep going out of frame. I'm trying my hardest here. But yeah, I was just trying to make it look more like different colors than one whole thing. Like even here I was trying to pack in the Flamingo Dream in the crease, but yeah. And then here I'm also putting Flamingo Dream underneath and kind of smoking that out, blowing it out, whatever you want to say. And now I'm trying to pack on Modern Love again on my eyelid to make it more opaque. Here I am blending again. Like I said, I'm all about blending. And then I'm taking Pink Noise and I'm just kind of putting that on my brow bone. I don't typically do this, but it is a gorgeous color and I wanted to try it out or try as many shades as I could. And then I'm taking Rosé Brunch and I'm putting that on my inner corner. Here I am, I'm wetting the brush so that I can get it on there better. I know these colors usually work better with your finger, but I really wanted to get a brush so I can get it in there. And it does work a lot better when you use like a setting spray or spray your brush to get it wet. Here I am just looking at 3 different eyeliners from ColourPop to see which one I wanted to use. I ended up using the medium one, Loverboy. These are my favorite cream liners for my waterline. They stay on really well. And I ended up buying like the little vault pack that they had. Here I am using Brain Freeze Frozen Fruit from Jeffree Star as a highlight. Such an intense highlight, I didn't realize it's my first time using this. Alright, so there's the look that I did that you already saw. I showed you guys the highlight that was intense from the, what is it? Brain Freeze palette from Jeffree Star. And then I also had Dominatrix from Jeffree Star for the lipstick. But yeah, that's what I ended up doing. I can leave the all the other items that I use in the description box if you're wondering what any of this is. I'll put it down below. But yeah, so far I do like it, but when I was blending it, these two for some reason just looked so similar, even though they don't in the pan. It kind of just looks like I have one color on my eyes. It's not even focusing well. Or I'm just like super blown out. Ooh. I don't know if that's any better. But I mean, it is very pretty. I just have to play with it a little more maybe. But I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's been a while since I've done a look. I was going to do 2 different eye looks, but I have another video I want to film right now, so I just wanted to do the one. But yeah, that's it. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Galentine's Day, whatever you are celebrating, and I will see you next time. Bye!